Once you have created a template, you can now assign the media you have uploaded to the zones of your template, as well as setting other values such as duration time and transition effects for images and colour settings for scrolling text. Begin by accessing the Program Management section of the side menu, then click on Playlist. Now click the New button. First, give your playlist a name, and then select the template by clicking the magnifying glass icon. Tick the checkbox underneath the template you want to use, then click OK. Click OK again. You will now see a playlist design interface with various tabs representing different media zones. If your template includes a background, you will automatically find yourself on the Background or BG tab. Should you want to, you can change your background colour or image here. Begin adding media to your playlist by clicking on the Video tab. This zone will now be highlighted in the thumbnail preview. Then click the Add Video button. From the videos that you've already uploaded, tick the checkboxes of the ones you want to add to the media zone, then click OK. You will now see a list of the videos files that media zone contains. Next, click on the Image tab. This zone will now be highlighted in your thumbnail preview. Then click the Add Image button. From the images that you have already uploaded, tick the checkboxes of the ones that you want to use, then click OK. You will now see a list of the image files that this zone contains. To edit their duration periods and transition effects, click the Edit button next to an image file. A media edit box will now appear. Here you can set the duration time and transition effect of each image file. You can also set the filling effect. This will dictate how your image files fill your media zone. Selecting Fill will mean that your image files will be stretched or squashed to fit the media zone. Selecting Scale will mean that your image will retain its aspect ratio and fill in the rest of the zones with black borders. When you are finished, click OK. If you have more image zones, continue to add media in the same way. Next, click on the Text tab. Again, this zone will be highlighted in your thumbnail preview. Here you can adjust the font size, scroll direction, scroll speed, transparency, and the colours of the area's background and text. If you want to add a scrolling message, you can simply enter it into the text field. However, if you want to add an RSS feed, you must click the Add RSS button. You will now see a list of the RSS feeds that you have previously set up. Tick the checkbox of the feed that you want to display, then click OK. You will now see that the text field has been filled out with your RSS information. Before saving, it is a good idea to do a final preview of your content. Click Quick Preview. This will launch a preview box showing how your playlist would look on your screen if you were to publish it now. To exit, click the X in the top right hand corner. Once you are happy with your playlist, click the Save button. You will be presented with the following message. Click OK. If you now want to send the playlist to your screen, click the Publish button. Next, click on the expiration field and select an expiration date. After this date, the playlist will no longer be available. Then click OK. Next, select which screens you want to send the playlist to by clicking the Add button. Then tick the checkboxes next to the screens you want to select and click OK again. Finally, change the publishing strategy to overwrite the player schedule. Then click Submit. You may see a loading bar as your playlist is sent to your screens. You will then be redirected to your published list, showing you a list of playlists that you have submitted.